Welcome to Alicia's Life Journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. How to make banana pudding. First you need 2 to 3 bananas, a box of vanilla wafers, 3 cups of milk, and 1 pack of cooking served vanilla jello brand pudding. So what you'll do, you'll layer the bowl with vanilla wafers at the bottom. That's your base. And then you'll chop up bananas into slices, and you put the banana slices on top of the vanilla wafers. And then after you do that, put the vanilla wafers back on top of the bananas, and you keep doing that over and over until you end with the vanilla wafers on top. So I ran out, so I'm using every little bit of those crumbs. So I'm using everything that's in that box. So vanilla wafers, leave it to the crumbs, y'all. Use everything. Now, y'all, here's to the fun part. Making the banana pudding. So that, again, 3 cups of 3 cups of milk. Sorry. Pour the pack of banana in there. Instant banana pudding. You whisk it together. Make sure it's cold milk. So now I just put a pot of water in the pot, and then I put the banana pudding, which is in a smaller pot, on top of that pot full of water, so it won't burn the banana pudding. That'll keep me from burning the banana pudding, because I literally end up cooking this thing for about 20 minutes. It was supposed to be 15, but it took a little bit longer because the bottom of the pot that is on water took a little bit longer to boil. So then you just keep whisking it, just checking it, see how liquid it is. And you will know when your banana pudding is done when you stir it like that. And it's a little like resistance, it's a little thick. Every time you move it, you see like a pattern in there. You're gonna start leaving a trail. You see the trail right here now? and then it's getting thick and feel like a little bit of resistance. You can tell that's when your banana pudding's done. You can see the difference from now versus earlier when it was like liquidy, straight liquidy. And now it's a little thick and you see the patterns that's drawn in the pudding. That means it's done. So you just had to keep stirring this. So I'm going to take this off the pot and show you the boiling water underneath. Alright, time for the fun part. We're going to pour all this banana pudding on top of the wafers and banana. And once you do that, you are done. So let's do it. Let's pour this banana pudding in. And y'all, it smells so good. It smells so good. And it tastes really good, y'all. And you can either eat your banana pudding hot in room temperature, like that. I like mine warm because the taste is really good. And then, or you can put it in the refrigerator and let it stiffen up and get a little bit colder. And you can eat it cold. Whatever you prefer. You can eat it room temperature warm, or you can eat it chill in the refrigerator. But anyway, you guys, that's all. And I'm going to show you the end results. And y'all, I only spent about $4 plus tax to make this dessert. So it's really cheap. It's really easy to make. It's very delicious. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell down below. Also, I'm doing a giveaway. Spread the word about my channel, and I will continue to make more videos. I love you guys. Look, y'all. Ta-da! Banana pudding. So delicious. It smells and tastes so good. It's really cheap and easy to make. I'm doing a $25 Amazon gift card giveaway once I reach 280 subscribers, because unfortunately I didn't make my prior goal of 250 subscribers because I kept losing them before I did the live stream. So the details are going to be below of how to do that gift card giveaway, how to enter in. And yes, I really do have this Amazon gift card that I've been holding for about 3 months now, and I'm ready to give it to a lucky winner on the live stream.